So there's just a ton of crazy stuff happening to Clover Health investment stock again, actually being down about 4% since last day's close, after we bounced back from a resistance at around $8.20 to begin the almost 10% rally we've seen over the last few days. So what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is happening to Clover Health stock and break down exactly whether it is still a buy at the end. And as the analysis in the video is absolutely crucial to consider before buying the stock, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump right in, just hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, so let's start talking about the stock. And what makes Clover's one so special are the incredible jumps in price it has experienced earlier last month. In fact, it has pulled up by more than 220% on super high volume, literally being one of the most talked about Medicare Advantage insurers of the investing world. And if you take a look at some key statistics, you'll quickly find why especially retail traders hyped the stock up so much, starting off with the incredible short interest of more than 43%, enabling some magnificent short squeeze potential. And combined with the just mentioned hype, we've actually seen something like the enormous short squeezes in January, gapping up massively, while making shorts cover their positions to thrive the price up by some crazy amounts. As we reached highs of almost $30, however, the stock began to massively pull back, currently being down since the peak from the recent second attempt to find a long-term resistance. But what these cheaper prices also mean are even higher return possibilities, with more investors willing to buy at more reasonable prices. And combined with Clover's remarkable high-growth business plan, this makes even more sense. As said before, the company provides an artificial intelligence-based platform that enables physicians to provide much better care at way cheaper costs while mainly focusing on Medicare-eligible patients. And this also is a one-of-a-kind opportunity to capitalize on an extremely important aspect that becomes more and more apparent in countries like the US, an increasingly older population. And with the help of its artificial intelligence platform called Clover Assistant, the company is able to deliver on massively better predictions in the Medicare space as well as extremely high scalability. As said before, where you previously needed to hire new staff, Clover Assistant can take off a lot of their work while hugely increasing profits and efficiency along the way. But as the following is also extremely important, before making any buy decision, we'll quickly have to talk about some key fundamentals of the company. And as mentioned before, here is where it gets crazy, starting with Clover Assistant's penetration rate among existing members being an astonishing 56%, or a 43% year-on-year increase. More than 66,000 people of over 100 markets in 7 different US states are now part of the membership, predicted to bring in almost $1 billion in this year. Exactly this super strong-looking future, and its ability to continually expand, could make Clover Health actually one of the leaders of this industry. And with the recent first quarter earnings report bringing in $200 million for the last quarter, a 21% year-over-year increase, while also laying ahead of analyst expectations, and a membership growth expected to fall between 17% to 21%, Clover Health continues to scale up its top line. Strong growth in revenue in the first quarter and last year is proving the potential to disrupt an insurance technology company. Laying ahead, one of Clover Health's next short-term catalysts to look out for, aside from continued membership growth, is a new payment model sponsored by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services launched in April. As mentioned in a previous video, this protocol enables Clover Health to contract directly with doctors across the country to diagnose patients using the Clover Assistant, which is a huge business opportunity. Alright, with that being it for today's video, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot and see you next time.